In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from JustMarkets. First, you will need to sign into your account and then click on funding here from the left-hand side. Once you select funding, you will see deposit, withdrawal, internal transfer, and transaction history. We want to select withdrawal for this. It is going to show us all of the available withdrawal methods. You can withdraw to a bank card, which is going to be either instant or take up to 7 days. And you have these other withdrawal methods as well. So you can withdraw USD or USDT and all of these other cryptocurrencies. And also you can initiate a wire transfer. For example, let's say that we want to withdraw to a bank card. We will click on it and then you have to select your account which you want to withdraw from. And the withdrawal method, again, you can adjust it here. And the currency, you can select which currency you want to withdraw in. So you have the option, or I have the option of USD and euros. It is only going to be possible to those payment details that were used to deposit the account to the account. So if you used a different card to deposit to your JustMarkets account, then you will need to use either the same card or use a different deposit method. Here, you will type the card number, the amount which you want to withdraw. So for example, I'm just going to type 20 and it's going to be adjusted here. And afterwards, you just click on continue, go through the prompts, and that is how you deposit money on JustMarkets, or sorry, withdraw money from JustMarkets. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.